we are again, doing what we love to do. We are in Orful, New Hampshire. It's kind of down the road from Mount Moosilauke, and we are on the Appalachian Trail, and we're going to do Mount Cube today. 52 with a view. Our plan was to do the Carters today, but with the freezing rain and snow, I didn't want to take the chance. We'll wait for some good weather, but we got some streams. Epic views at the top of Cube. About a 7-mile hike. So 3.5 to the top. About 3 inches on the ground. Heavy snow. Gonna be tough trudging through it, but that's okay. All right, see you guys when we get on the trail. Here we go. So quiet right after a snowstorm. Like I said, only a few inches down south. It got worse up north. We're the only ones on the trail, which is nice. Peace and quiet. The only thing is we got a break trail here a little bit, so it's making the pace a little slower, but we're not in a rush. On average, it's a 4-hour hike. With the way we're going because of the snow, I don't think we'll do better than that, but we'll see. It's almost 11. And just a very light snow right now, so it's really nice. Good foliage. Got a brook on the side of me. Really nice. That's it. We're making it. We're going. We're moving. Got my dad come on with me on every single one. I plan on taking his ashes with me on the rest of my 4,000 footers. All my hikes up until my last 4,000, which I have 9 left. So, plan is to take him with me and scatter his ashes on Mount Moriah. That's gonna be my last 48. That's the plan for next summer. Look forward to that. Winter Wonderland. Here we go. All right. That was a little sketchy. I think I'm still on top of the water. Anyway, well, a little more than halfway. Still following the white blaze. That's Appalachian Trail. Starting to gain a little elevation. We still got a long way to go, being halfway. It must all be at the end. But so far, so good. Still a very light snow. It's a very sticky, slippery snow. So it's making our travel go a little slower. So I'm gonna bet when we get to a steeper part, I'm gonna have to put my crampons on because I'm slipping every now and then. He's doing all right. Crossing quite a few brooks now, so really trying to concentrate since there's no, there's no footprints that I can follow on the trail. I really gotta watch the trees and look for the signs. But that's it. I'll see you guys when I get to the top. I'm crossing these brooks like Frogger. Here we go. Yeah, that's not good. Ugh. All right, success. Whoa. Woo. Woo. Last thing I want to do now is get wet when I'm over 2 miles in. Right? Yeah, Bubba, go boy. Let's go. 2 hours in, a little over 2 hours. It's been slow going because of having to break trail. But what do we got? There we go. Mount Cube going up. Okay. I'll see you guys at the top. Shouldn't be too much longer. Something tells me this is going to be the top. And I think this is going to be a thing of ice under the snow, which I've been dealing with pretty much halfway up. And I just didn't put my crampons on yet, but it's definitely going to get some use on the way down because I'm not going to fall, especially with carrying my dad's camera. All right. Yeah. We're making it. God, I feel like Rocky in Rocky 4 climbing up the frickin' mountains of snow. I'm not gonna yell Drago though. I think I might yell finally. All right, looks like we're gonna be in a total whiteout. Got the Chewy's GoPro is on. Haven't used it in a while. Oh yeah, we're not gonna see a thing. Oh well. Whew. Whew. Man. Mount Cube Summit, 2,909 feet. And the lookout. Kind of nervous without my crampons on. Well, a 2-hour and 20-minute hike, a breaking trail to see absolutely nothing. Well, it's all right. It was a nice hike. I needed it. It's been a long week. It was a much needed hike. Haven't been bogged in a while since my last winter hike last year, but we're gonna have a snack. I really can't take any photos. There's nothing to take photos of. He just took a spill right into the, he just jumped into the snow pile. That's on the GoPro. All right, we're gonna have a snack, some water, and I'm gonna take a lackluster pic of the peak. And that's about it. We're gonna be heading back. I wish there was more to see up here. I know the views up here are supposed to be really nice. Not today. Oh well. You win some and lose some in hiking. I'm not gonna be mad. It's happened before. Just gives us a reason to do it again when it's nicer out. So, huh, Bubba? You did good. You did good. All right, snack time. I'll see you guys on the next hike. Happy trails. Say bye, Tree. Say bye. Good boy.